Hello, welcome back to Crafty Corner. I'm Beth and I'm here today to show you how to use the Cricut Hat Press to make an adorable summer bucket hat for your child. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that we put out a Cricut project or tutorial video every week, so be sure to subscribe so that you do not miss out. First, I measured the space on the hat where I want my decals to go and created a template in Design Space. That's this pink rectangle. This is just a template so that I know how far apart to space my images, so I will hide this before I hit make it. But I am going to select half of my design here and attach it together, and then I'll do the same for the other half. Then I'm going to hit make it. I'm using Smart Iron-On, so I will select without a mat, and I will click the toggle to mirror my image and hit continue. After it connects to my machine, I'm going to click on Smart Iron-On for my material. Then I will load my Smart Iron-On into my Cricut and it will cut my design. After it's done cutting, I will weed the iron-on. Next, I'm going to place my bucket hat onto the hat form that comes with the hat press. I'm making sure that it is on there nice and snug. Then I'm going to take half of my design and place it on the hat, allowing it to bend around. I am using heat-resistant tape to keep it in place. I have my hat press plugged in, and to turn it on, we will click the temp or on button. When the hat press is heated up, it will beep and turn green, and then all I need to do is press the hat. The liner started to come up as I went around, so I slowly pulled up on that as I went. I continued with the other half of the design on the other side of the hat. I think it turned out super cute and my daughter loves her new summer hat. Thank you for watching today's project. If you want to see more on the Cricut Hat Press, click on over here for another video. If you are looking to purchase the hat press, check out Craft-e-Corner.com here. And as always, do not forget to subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our awesome Cricut projects and tutorials. See you next time.